Hi, this is a quick follow-up on the Measurement Amplifier project, and now it's finally in an enclosure. And the main difference is this time around I used a PCB service to create an aluminium PCB, but just as a front panel. This cost I think about $2, so it's a really good way of doing it. I think it's worked really well, and also it's just all fitted, and I put some like plastic buttons from AliExpress as well on there, and it's just for this demo it's connected up to this Honeywell sensor. It's a magnetic sensor. It's actually pretty sensitive. It's on an old Swatch watch, just against the electromagnet at the end of one end of it, and that's the signal from the electromagnet, and that occurs every second. There's a positive going pulse, and then a pulse with the other polarity, so north and then south, occurs once a second. And just by measuring the amplitude of that, I've got the gain here set to times 100. So looking at the data sheet, I know that that's about 2 Gauss of measurement there at the moment. And obviously I can, if I run that, just bring up the amplitude of it. So there's the pulses occurring every second. There are actually other more sensitive magnetic sensors that are quite low cost as well. For example, there's a Texas Instruments FluxGate magnetometer board. I think it's about $20 or $30, something like that. This particular sensor board, which I'm using from Honeywell, it was actually a reasonable price. I think it was about $10 or $15, but due to the component shortages at the moment, it's selling for more than $100, which is just crazy. Thanks for watching.